Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Waqar Tech, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how to buy a nail scissor from Daraz app. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz app. After that you have to open the Daraz app and search here in the search box. Here you can see it. I am writing here nail scissor. After writing nail scissor you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So basically here you can see it. I'm going to click on that one. First one you can see it here. So here you can see it. 8 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, you can see it. Pigeon baby nail scissor, 0 to 3 months old. Here is another one. You can see it. Safe round tip, safe to use, will not damage the skin around the baby's nail. Scissor blade made of stainless steel. So basically here you can see it. Comfortable handle with good grip. Here you can see it. Nail clipper from babies 0 to 3 months old. You can see it 0 plus months. Here is another one. You can see it. Size dimensions are also given here. You can see it 1.5 centimeter, 1.7 centimeter. So here you can see it. Another sample you can see it given here. Here is another sample. You can see it in front of you. Here you can see it. Buy more, save more. Save your shipping fee by ordering parcel at Daraz App. Buy multiple items from Lucent in same shipping fees. You can also get discount on buying more. Chat with us to get information on or any help to get original photos. You can see it. Follow us option is also given here. So Lucent pigeon baby nail scissor, safety nail scissors, clippers, trimmer for newborn babies. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you can see it PKR rupees 129 rupees. If we talk about the original price, is PKR 500 rupees, but after 74% off you can buy it only in PKR 129 rupees. So you can see it here. If we talk about the rating, then you can see it here. 4.8 out of which 5 stars are given here based on 11 reviews, and 59 is already sold. So two people already love this product. You can see that here. So free delivery 10 October to 13 October on minimum spend of rupees 599. Ask questions about the product. You can see it. Lucent 84% positive review. Bank promotion, bank vouchers available, click to collect. So coins promotion, earn up to 129 coins on this item. Redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you can see it here. Brand, no brand, box content 182 baby nail scissor, and SKU number is also given here. So delivery, you have to select your location on which you want to get this nail scissor. Standard delivery 10 October to 13 October, rupees 119 is service charges. Enjoy free shipping promotion with minimum spend of rupees 599 from Lucent. So service for 7 days returns, change of mind is not applicable, and warranty not available. So basically you can see it here. Ratings and reviews, you can see it here. Rating I already tell you, 4.8 stars are given here. So you can see it here. 11 reviews are given here. You can see it here. What people like about it, you can see it. Good seller. So you can see it here. First one, review by Harris, prompt delivery and very good seller recommended. Here you can see it. Sample is also showing in front of you. So basically here you can see it. Another one, the product is good, thanks seller, thanks Daraz. So basically another one, you can see it. Good product, you can see it here. So questions about this product, you can see it. There are no questions yet. Ask the seller now and their answer will show here. So basically if you want to ask any questions, then you have to click on that ask question option. Lucent 84%, Lucent, you can see it. 84% positive seller ratings and 96% ship on time and 100% chat response rate. So basically if you want to follow the Lucent, then you have to click on the follow option, or if you want to only visit the store, then you have to click on the visit the store option. You can see it from the same store. You can buy different mode samples. You can see it here. So product description is also given here. You can see it detail given here. Brand, no brand, buy more, save more. So basically if you have to buy this nail scissor, then you can see it the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on the buy now option of buying this nail scissor. Thanks for watching this video.